In today's video, we are going to see some of the space phenomena which you might not know earlier occurring in our universe. So on number one, we have black holes. So what is a black hole? A black hole is a region of space-time exhibiting a gravitational attraction so strong that nothing, I am saying nothing, no particles or even electromagnetic radiation such as light. अब लाइट की स्पीड होती है 3 इंटू 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकेंड और उस स्पीड से भी वो ब्लैक होल से एस्केप नहीं कर पाती है. So the theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficiently compact mass can deform spacetime to form a black hole. So black holes are also formed by the when a massive star dies in a star cycle, which we will see later. So a black hole has a diameter of 78 million years, and we should not worry from now because it is about 1000 light years away from our Earth, according to source of BBC, and this is the first image which was captured of black hole by NASA. So it also continuously rotates and it absorbs all the particles near it. On second position, we are having dark matter. Dark matter is composed of particles that do not absorb, reflect or emit light, so they cannot be detected by observing electromagnetic radiation. So we cannot see dark matter, but due to its effect on everyday objects, we know that dark matter exists. And dark matter यूनिवर्स का 85% बनाता है, मतलब सिर्फ 15% हमें मैटर पता है और 85% डार्क मैटर है. On third position, we are having gamma ray bursts. In gamma ray astronomy, gamma ray bursts are extremely energetic explosions that have been observed in distant galaxies. They are the brightest electromagnetic events known to occur in the universe. Bursts can last from 10 milliseconds to several hours. 10 milliseconds means a very small amount and several hours means a very large amount. So it can occur from a small time to a large time. इससे पहले कि आप कमेंट्स में लिख दे हल्क तो हल्क सिर्फ एक इमेजिनेशनल कैरेक्टर है. असली में गामा रेस बहुत हार्मफुल होती है, तो मैं रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आप गामा रेस से अगर संबंध होता भी है तो हार्मफुल है वो. So this is how gamma ray bursts look like in a universe. This is the image captured by many satellites. On fourth position, we are having a supernova. So supernova is a powerful and luminous, means light stellar explosion. This transient astronomical event occurs during the last evolutionary stages of a massive star or when a white dwarf is triggered into runaway nuclear fusion. So supernova can spread to few million light years for the star to die, and we should not worry because 50 to 100 light years it is away from our Earth. And in this image you can see that this is the life cycle of a star. We can see that from nebula there can be two possibilities. It can be an average star or a massive star. For a massive star, after its star cycle, it gets converted into red supergiant slowly, and after that it results into a supernova, and this supernova explosion can lead to a neutron star or a black hole, which we have seen earlier. So supernova explosions are very bright, and there is a possibility that we can see a supernova explosion in 2022, means after 2 years. On fifth rank, we are having solar wind. The solar wind is a stream of charged particles released from the upper atmosphere of the sun, called the corona. तो ये नाम सुना सुना लग रहा है. तो एक कोरोना सन की जो लेयर होती है आउटसाइड की, उसे कोरोना कहते हैं, और इससे ही इसी जैसा स्ट्रक्चर देखकर कोविड वायरस को कोरोना वायरस भी कहते हैं. So this plasma mostly contains of electrons, protons and alpha particles with kinetic energy, means when the particles are in motion between 0.5 and 10 keV. So keV means kilo electron volt. So what is keV? So when an electron volt is amount of kinetic energy gained by a single electron accelerating from rest through an electric potential difference of 1 volt in vacuum. So you know that from sun to our earth, the distance is totally vacuum. So the value of 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joules. On sixth position, we are having magnetar. So magnetar is basically a type of neutron star, and it has an extremely powerful magnetic field. The magnetic field decays powers the emission of high energy electromagnetic radiation, and this results into two important rays, X-rays and gamma rays. So this is how a magnetar star looks like. It is 20 kilometer in diameter, and it is about 1 to 2 times, uh, about double the mass of sun. On seventh position we are having Kasar. I don't know how to pronounce it. मेरी pronunciation बहुत ही खराब हो सकती है, पर Kasar, I think you don't know about this. So a Kasar is an extremely luminous active galactic nucleus. So you know that every object in the universe is basically formed from the atoms or atoms and matter which has nucleus in it. So in which a supermassive black hole. So you can also say a Kasar is a supermassive black hole with mass ranging from millions to billions of times of sun. So it is 12 mass of 12 billion solar masses, means the mass of sun is 2 into 10 raised to power 30 kg, and the mass of Kasar is 12 billion times that. So you can imagine that how large the mass of Kasar is, and we should not fear from this also, because 12.8 billion light years it is away from Earth, and its energy is about 420 trillion suns. So the energy given by this many suns, it can be produced by Kasar only. So हमें डरने की इतनी बात नहीं है अभी से, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा देर के बाद हमें देखने को मिल सकता है, according to many reports. On the last and eighth position, we are having wormholes. So wormholes is just a theory. It is not approved, and we do not have many proofs, but still I have included in it. So if you have seen movies like Interstellar, Avengers, or etc., so you might know what an wormhole is. A wormhole is a speculative structure linking disparate points in a space-time, and is based on special solution of the Einstein field equation. So concept basically ये है कि हम यूनिवर्स से के एक पोजीशन से अगर हम ठीक उसके नीचे या ऊपर की पोजीशन पे रहते हैं, तो हम डायरेक्टली शॉर्टकट से हम शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ कवर करके डायरेक्ट हमारी डिजायर्ड पोजीशन पर जा सकते हैं. ऐसा थ्योरेटिकल कंसेप्ट है वर्म होल्स का. सो मैंने हर चीज इसमें शॉर्ट में एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश की है, और सारे रेफरेंसेस विकिपीडिया से है, आप जाकर चेक कर सकते हो. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then hit that like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment how was the video. Thanks for watching.